Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're looking for a way to turn back the clock on your skin while staying true to natural ingredients, I've got something exciting to share with you today. This isn't just any serum. We're diving into the Bakuchiol Miracle Night Serum, your new nighttime skincare superhero that promises to restore, hydrate, and smooth. Let's break down the facts and see if this is the miracle your skin's been waiting for. Now, let's start with the basics. The Bakuchiol Miracle Night Serum is a plant-powered retinol alternative designed to give your skin the same rejuvenating benefits as traditional retinol, but without the irritation. It's packed with bakuchiol, a plant-derived ingredient that's gaining attention for its ability to reduce fine lines, wrinkles, and promote that youthful, glowing complexion. What sets this serum apart is the added bonus of hyaluronic acid, which brings a much-needed dose of hydration to the skin as it firms and plumps. This serum's primary function is to restore luminosity and firmness. Whether you're dealing with tired, dull skin or fine lines starting to make their presence known, Bakuchiol aims to target these concerns with its unique triple-action firming formula. The Hydroxyproline in the mix helps stabilize collagen structure, providing visibly lifted, plumped, and nourished skin. It's an all-in-one treatment designed for the skin's nighttime repair process. When I tried it out, I was eager to see how it would feel compared to a typical retinol product. The first thing I noticed was the texture. It's smooth and non-greasy, absorbing into the skin easily without any sticky residue. I applied it after cleansing, right before bed, and in the morning, my skin felt noticeably softer and more hydrated. Over the course of the week, I noticed a subtle brightness and firmness, which is always a welcome sight. It's worth mentioning that unlike retinol, this serum didn't leave my skin feeling dry or irritated, making it a perfect option for sensitive skin types that still want to address signs of aging. But let's be real, no product is perfect. The serum does take some time to show results, so if you're expecting immediate dramatic changes, it might not hit those marks in the first few days. The scent is light but slightly herbal, which isn't unpleasant, but could be a bit strong for some users who prefer fragrance-free options. And while it does deliver great hydration and firmness, I wouldn't say it's as intensive as a high-potency retinol serum, especially for those with deeper wrinkles or advanced signs of aging. Now let's talk about the price point. The Bakuchiol Miracle Night Serum comes in at 1 ounce, which is standard for a concentrated product like this. Considering its high-quality ingredients, such as bakuchiol and hydroxyproline, it is reasonably priced for what you're getting. Natural alternatives to retinol can often be more expensive than their synthetic counterparts. That said, if you're someone who's looking for the highest level of anti-aging, you may want to explore other more potent treatments. But for those looking for a gentle yet effective serum, this one offers great value for the price. If you're wondering how it stacks up against other options, it holds its ground well. While there are a number of bakuchiol-based serums on the market, this one stands out due to its added hydrating and firming ingredients. If you're after something that delivers on the promise of both anti-aging and skin health without the harsh effects of retinol, this might be the right fit. As for build quality, the packaging is sleek and functional. The pump dispenses the perfect amount, and the bottle's design keeps the serum from being exposed to too much air, helping preserve its efficacy. It feels sturdy, and I expect it to last through multiple nightly applications without any leaks or spills. Overall, the Bakuchiol Miracle Night Serum offers a fantastic balance between performance and gentle care. It's a solid choice for those wanting a more natural anti-aging serum that delivers hydration, firming, and luminosity, without the irritation typically associated with retinol. If you have sensitive skin or prefer plant-based products, this could easily become a staple in your routine. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.